Hi, I'm Aislinn with Patent 5 Distillery, and today we're making an original sin. An original sin is a vodka-based drink made with vodka, absinthe, and some sake. Patent 5 vodka is made with Manitoba-grown wheat, and it's made from scratch here in the distillery. It's got a sweet and smooth finish to it. It's also won 2 gold medals. It's won the gold medal Best of its class for the American Distilling Institute, and it's also won the gold medal for the Canadian Artisan Spirits Award. I would recommend this drink to someone who likes a boozier drink. It's definitely more of a sipper, so if you've got a little bit of time, I'd recommend this cocktail. Also, if you like black licorice, I think this would be a really good drink for you. So to make an original sin, you would combine in a steel tin 2 ounces of vodka, 0.75 ounces of ginjo sake, a bar spoon of honey syrup, which is 2 parts of honey mixed with 1 part hot water, and then 2 dashes of Miss Better's chocolate bitters. And you would put all those ingredients in a tin, put ice in there, stir it up. And the purpose of stirring versus shaking is that stirring preserves the texture of the drink. It just cools it down and dilutes it a little bit with the ice, versus shaking a drink changes the texture. And then an absinthe rinse. And a rinse on a glass is done by pouring just a little bit of the absinthe into the glass, rolling it around in the glass so that it coats the inside, and then pouring it out. And then strain it into a coupe. There you have it, the original sin.
Hi, if you enjoyed these cocktails, feel free to check us out at patent5.ca. You can find the spirits and the ingredients for those cocktails online, or if you happen to be in the neighborhood in the Exchange District in Winnipeg, we're at 108 Alexander Avenue.